Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I'm wearing this because I just got it today. I don't want to, make it big, I wanted to test it out. And so, don't get mad at me because I didn't post one in a long time. It's just my computer wouldn't let me do it. Okay? So, yeah. If you guys are new to the channel and it's on your homepage, I don't even know why it would be on your homepage. You did. Oh God. Oh. Hey, chill, buddy, chill. Remember, we were in second grade together, dude. Jeez, he forgot about me and him in second grade together. How could he forget about your best friend, bruh? Like, that is messed up. Shoot him! What's up, Petro? Nope, I died. Okay, so, yeah. I forgot what I was gonna say. Oh, if you guys are new to the channel, and hit subscribe, please. Like this video. And if you're not subscribed, you will have bad luck for 23 years. And why would I make that up, guys? Like, that would just be mean if I made that up, right, guys? Yeah, that would just be mean. Okay, let's go into here. Okay, so I have gotten pretty good at this game before. Okay. Don't be saying, oh Bobby, how'd you get good? I've played this, okay? You guys probably should not trust me. With your homework, probably not. Okay, so guys, if you're not subscribed right now, someone will come and hunt you. Oh, shoot. Okay, so, I'm sorry that I haven't made a YouTube video in a long time. I'm sorry, guys. Don't get all mad at me, please. Okay? Thank you. Okay, so, I am I like to talk about stuff. I'm not all calm sometimes. I get crazy. That's all about life, isn't it? Yeah. Didn't even know. I'm not going into a video. Yes. Yeah. Danny, don't be showing up in your robe in my YouTube videos. My brother just woke up, so Open the door. It's gonna be where Piggy spawns, isn't it? Yep. Where's Piggy? Psych! Okay. So I've done a couple YouTube videos on here. Okay. So where's the blue key? What'd you have? What did you do just get? Who has the blue key? Okay, so Danny, why do you always have to show up in your robe against me?
Do you see me in the camera?
Oh, because you're bending down, stupid.
Exactly.
Does anyone know where the blue key is? Like, hello. Okay. So, okay. Okay. So I've done a couple YouTube videos. Are you following? No, why are you running? Okay. So yes, you have the green key. Click to spot the green key for free. Okay. Okay, the blue. Who had the blue key? Okay. Okay, so I don't have that much time left, really, but we're gonna make it work. Hello. No, don't come down here. No, hey, no, you're not coming down. Run, open. Okay, I grab it. Okay. Okay, so I only have like 6 minutes left. You see, I'm doing Screencast-O-Matic. And in Screencast-O-Matic, you only have 15 minutes. So I only have like 15 minutes. What? Where'd you come from? Yeah, mousy. Okay, so Yes, I am Mousy, guys. You should know that in one of my YouTube videos. Guys, dance. This is the coolest thing. Just coming down. Thank you. Now I can show Danny in my YouTube video. He ran away. Great. They're great. What? What are you doing? Who's coming down? Hello. That was my dad. Okay, so okay, plans to deal with the issue. Hello. No, you die. No, that's my butt. Rest in peace. Rest. Okay, why do you have to grab everything that was already grabbed? Like, seriously. All you do. I'll cut him off. Did you just let him? You let him go. Okay. So, if you guys I forgot what I was gonna say. I'm a kid. Got the orange key? Cool. Little brother? Kid, I'm Mandy Mouse. I'm the Mandy Mouse. Okay, so guys, if you're not already subscribed, go and hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.